Hey, welcome to day 21 JavaScript question. Today we will be solving chunk array. So we are given an array and a chunk size. We need to return the chunked array. Now what is a chunked array? Let's look at the examples. So here we are given an array with values 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and the size is 1. And in the output we return an array that contains subarray of size 1. So basically, given an array and a size, we need to divide the given array in the chunks of the given size and return that array. So let's do it. Let's create a result array. Initially it will be empty, and let's create a subarray and it will also be empty. Now we need to loop over all the elements of the array. So let's do it. Now we will push the element to the subarray, and now we check if the length of the subarray is equal to the given chunk size. So we need to push the subarray to the result and clear the subarray. And after the loop, there might be the case that the last chunk is less than the size we are given. So in that case, there will be some elements left in the subarray. So in the end, we need to check if subarray greater than 0, then we again push the subarray to the result. That's it. Let's submit it. And it works. Thanks for watching. Follow for more such content. See ya.